Hey guys, I'm Abhash. Today I'm going to show you how to remove people or object from your picture using a free software, Snapseed. So first of all, I'm going to open my image. Click on open and select your image. So I want to remove these people from the image. Click on pencil icon and select healing. Now you can see a navigation panel here. You can use this to navigate in the image while you are zoomed in. So what you have to do is just paint on the object that you want to remove. Like this. There you go. The person has been removed. Let's do the same thing with the other one. And he is gone too. Now I will remove the reflection. Now if I zoom out, it looks perfect. So Snapseed can do a really great job at removing objects, but it does not work that great in complex situations. Let me show you an example. So I'm taking a different image now. Let's assume that I want to remove the smaller tree from the image. I will select healing tool, zoom in and paint on the tree. It didn't work. Why? It's because Snapseed is not made for complex situations. You can remove simple things, but not the complex ones. Simple objects like a bird or a person can be removed from the frame, but complex things like a tree with lot of branches is quite hard to remove. Also, if the background is flat, then the objects can be removed easily, as Snapseed will be able to sample easily. But if the background is complex and has a lot of things in it, then it will be hard for Snapseed to sample. Of course, the best way to remove any object is using Photoshop on a PC, because the PC version is absolutely most advanced and you can remove anything you want. But if we are talking about smartphone apps, then I think Snapseed is a great option. It's simple and it works most of the time. So that's it for this video. If it was helpful, then please give it a like, and if you have any question, write that down in the comment. And for more tutorial, subscribe to the channel. My name is Abhash. I will see you next time.